Alright guys, last day of the car show. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video.
few of these down here this weekend. They're really starting to come up with a lot of performance stuff for these things. These bad boys are quick as hell. So I know it's not for the old school dudes, but definitely a performance job there, boys. Tell you what, there has not been a shortage on unique cars this weekend. 64 Rambler wagon. Very cool. '64 Chevy. Awesome clean truck. Ross. And Ross's Camaro as well. Out of Lancaster, PA. These very much. They have 72 studs. You want to read that? You don't see this very often now, do you guys? That's a pretty Bronco. Nicely done. Nicely done. Cool C10. 63. Like I say, I'm telling you what, I know I'm filming a lot of them because we can see the common cars all the time we try to pull up. But this has been a weekend full of unique stuff. Alright, man, there is a lot of cool cars here today. I'm telling you. I hope you spot yours in here. And that nice Nova. Sweet. Look at that. Fine. Yes, sir. Nothing over there. That's cool. So the story is that all this was done with a Sharpie and then cleared in. It's awesome. Looks like it too. Yep, that's awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this series. This was the last video in the series. The truck ran awesome. What a great week. And man, I can't wait for next year. Alright, so Cruising Ocean City, the last day, that's it. It's no more. Alright, thanks. There will be something else coming, but that's it. Alright, thanks a lot guys, and we'll see you in the next videos.